Is there something about Jamaica to be proud of? While I'm here eating my Sunday dinner, I'm gonna talk about this. Alright, and yes, it's my Sunday dinner. It's not rice and peas and chicken. You know, that's the unofficial national dish of Jamaica. So this is yam, cocoa, what Africans call cocoa yam, sweet potato, you can see the yellowness, and right here is beef with turmeric. And lots of vegetables, and we have some callaloo on the side over here. Not sure if you can see it. But yeah, this is the big back plate. Alright, so did you realize that of all the Caribbean nations, Jamaica has one of the lowest per capita income? The only nations that are lower than Jamaica are Haiti, Belize, and Suriname. It is unbelievable. I knew that incomes in Jamaica were low, but I didn't realize that it was so extreme. So I'm gonna check it out and look at it. So the question is, are you proud of a country that pays you less for your labor? Well, tell me about it. I mean, know somebody I gotta say, oh, you can't eat and attack. It's not my mouth, my food. So when I did, anyway. So as you get past the food eating, somebody I gotta say me I eat with a spoon. So who cares? Under my spoon. Eat piece of my St. Vincent yam. Hey, you know what the proper name is? St. Vincent yam. But people say St. Vincent. So we say St. Vincent yam. Now it's St. Vincent yam. Me a piece of renta in there too. Piece of yellow yam in there. I say cocoa, where Africans call cocoa yam. I guess that is another yam, but that one they not grow up on the vine. You know that one they have a little plant, but still bear under the ground. Still bears under the ground and has somewhat of a similar taste. Outside, I don't know why the fly are fishing around and food, you know. Team, yeah, fly. Move up. I'm showing that thing, you know. How much do you think Jamaica's per capita income is? And can you compare that to, let's see, Barbados per capita income is about 4 times that of Jamaica. And by the way, before I buy that piece of beef there, Bahamas per capita income is about 6 times that of Jamaica. So, are you still proud? I'm not telling you to not be proud, but I'm just asking, are you still proud of Jamaica? You can be a proud Jamaican and not be proud of Jamaica, but that is a different thing. We'll get into that another day. I wonder who wants to come in the comment section. Why for that? Burn up. Who wants to leave a comment in the comment section? Leave a message in the comment section saying something about this. I'm going to show you the facts, you know. Well, I'm not going to show you, I'm going to read it still, but see me have these. See me have an okra up on my plate. See it looks slimy. Watch the plate. I like it. What on it? Question. Do you know what is Jamaica's per capita income? You know what? Look it up. You're on the internet watching me, so maybe you can pause the video and go look up Jamaica's per capita income and drop it in the comment section. And check out the other countries in the Caribbean. And you see what I go on. So you know, that leads me to another question. Is CARICOM a good thing? Or is it not a good thing? You know the CSME, is it really a good thing? Well, goal is relative. It depends for who. Oh, that food is nice. You know? Wish me could have shared some Sunday dinner with you. No worry yourself. A Sunday dinner, but you can watch the video on any day. And you see how we do it? Body can't tell me say I feed rice and peas and chicken. The fact me not even up on the rice business. And the fowl them nowadays, that is another story, you know. So, you know what thing? Big black plate a day. Matter of fact, you know, sure. I go put on the plate. Put on the plate. Take up my tablet and read something yourself. Yeah, see tablet here. I'm on Dell 2-in-1 machine, 4 up settings. If you know, you know. I declare from the sun I'm over away. I'll be take out the machine. Alright. You have the Cayman Islands. 99,143. I wonder how long a Jamaican would need to earn that. Alright. The Cayman Islands, they are number 1, you know. They have St. Martin, the Dutch part. 41,472. Alright. You know what them are going to say? Oh, those countries are not really Caribbean, they don't govern themselves. Alright. So let's get to the Bahamas. 39,455. Alright. And note, people, these numbers are all in US dollars. You have Guyana at 29,675. You know, I kind of told myself that I would only speak about islands because you know that Guyana is not an island. Yeah, it's on the South American continent, similar to Suriname. Anyway, you have Barbados at 26,544. You have St. Kitts 25,960. You have Antigua and Barbuda at 23,542. Alright. You have Curacao. I just beat Jamaica for go World Cup. But that's another thing for another day. We'll discuss that another time. Alright. So Curacao is at 22,832. You have Trinidad and Tobago at 18,733. And you have St. Lucia 14,181. You have Grenada 11,705. You have St. Vincent and the Grenadines, and yes, earlier I mentioned St. Vincent, so you know, big up the Vincy people them. Kingstown, well, our capital is Kingston, their capital is Kingstown. If you never know, now you know, learn something. Anyway, St. Vincent and the Grenadines, their per capita income is 11,501. Alright, Dominican Republic, it's 10,875. And you know, coincidentally, it's just above Dominica, which is a different country. Yeah, that's 10,405. And I'm still waiting to see Jamaica. Jaja. Still scrolling. Alright. And we have Jamaica, 7,753. And then they have Belize, which is not an island, but it's considered Caribbean. It's in Central America. By the way, it's the only country in Central America where their first language is English. Alright, big up to the rapper, turn politician, big up Shine. Alright. And you know who we now big up. Alright, so Belize is 7,681. Then you have Suriname, which is also not an island, it's in South America. That's 6,961. And then way down at the bottom, you have Haiti, which is 2,142. So tell me now, is there something to be proud of? No, talk to me, man. Tell me, for real. Oh, no one know me, I get this. Oh, this is coming from the World Bank, alright? So I think it should be pretty accurate. So like me say, is there something to be proud of? You proud after hearing these facts? Are you proud? Drop a comment and let me know. And in the meantime, please subscribe to Tropical Nomad TV. Many more videos coming soon. Just look out for the follow-up. Check it out. Subscribe. Alright, the son I deal with me a waster, Jaja. As me ready for shoot a video, a bag of glare come out. I don't even know what this is looking about. You know, we not edit and we not shoot again. One time off the top of my head.